Hello, my name is Linda Howard, and I am a licensed clinical massage therapist. I'm also the owner of Total Restoration Massage Therapy, conveniently located at 32 Chicago Avenue in the village of Oak Park, Illinois. I've served Oak Park and the surrounding communities for the past 13 years. At Total Restoration Massage Therapy, my motto is Clinical Massage Therapy Solutions, committed to the whole you. I provide the following services at Total Restoration Massage Therapy: Swedish, deep tissue, sports massage, where I also integrate myofascial release. I'm also certified as an orthopedic massage therapist. I also hold certification as a manual lymphatic drainage specialist. Now, I'll get into that a little more later. What I'd like to do right now is to provide you with answers to frequently asked questions. What is massage therapy? Massage therapy is ancient. There's evidence dating massage therapy back as far as 5,000 years ago. There's also evidence of massage therapy being utilized in the Asian culture in places such as China and India. There's also evidence of massage therapy being utilized in places like Egypt and Greece. Why is massage therapy important? What are the benefits? As your muscle advocate, which is how I refer to myself at times, it is important for me to educate my clients and potential clients on the importance of massage therapy. Did you know that we have over 600 muscles in our bodies? And these muscles are operating 24/7. Not all of them, but some of them do. One of the benefits of massage therapy is that it increases blood circulation. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every tissue and cell in our bodies. It also takes out metabolic waste from these very same tissues. Massage therapy enhances relaxation. It also decreases blood pressure. Massage therapy, of course, addresses pain and stress-causing factors in the body. I encourage my clients and potential clients to utilize massage therapy as a preventative measure rather than reactionary. How often should a person get massage therapy? I advocate massage therapy being used, as I stated earlier, proactively and as a preventative measure, just as you would brush your teeth to prevent cavities. I usually recommend massage therapy at least once a month. However, for people who are medium to highly active or mobile, I recommend twice a month. I have long-term clients that receive massage therapy once a week, and they have been doing so for as long as I've been in business, and that's 13 years. They have reported that they recognize and they value how massage therapy positively impacts their spiritual, mental, and emotional well-being, in addition to their physical well-being. What should be the focus of the massage? Well, since all muscles are interconnected and covered by the same connective tissue, I say that the entire body should be addressed. However, primary focus and emphasis should be placed on the possible root causes of the present pain, discomfort, and limited range of motion. This is usually identified during the review of your intake form, the postural analysis and muscle testing that your massage therapist will conduct. Is massage therapy painful? Unlike Swedish massage, Deep tissue and orthopedic massage can be somewhat uncomfortable due to the mechanics of the protocol. So you may experience a temporary discomfort in exchange for a long-term release and relief. For what duration should I book my massage? My available sessions are offered in the following durations: 1 hour, 90 minutes, and 2-hour sessions are available. You will receive the full duration of your booked session. However, I do recommend that you arrive to your session at least and not earlier than 15 minutes prior. Is there an intake process? Yes, there is an intake process where the massage therapist makes an assessment utilizing postural analysis and muscle testing to gauge the use of the proper approach and protocols. Again, this is done in conjunction with the review of your intake form. Do you accept insurance? At the present time, I do not accept insurance. However, over the years, my clients have utilized their flex spending accounts to cover their massage therapy expenses, pre-approved by their employers. Or on the other hand, I've had clients who've submitted their receipts for their massage therapy appointments to their employers for reimbursement. I recommend that you check with your employer's benefits specialist or professional to gain clarity on your benefits options. How do I book my massage therapy appointment? I provide convenient and fast booking online via my website at www.mytotalrestoration.com, or you can call at 708-717-8686. Please note that all sessions are booked and paid in advance. Thank you for your cooperation. What does a massage therapist license or certification mean? A license means that a massage therapist has met the requirements and paid the fees to legally practice massage in your city, county, and/or state. To obtain a license, a massage therapist will usually have to complete a minimum number of training hours at an accredited or accepted school or training center. What is the difference between clinical massage therapy and spa massage? Clinical massage therapists undergo thorough and intense training programs that prepares them for their professions via state-mandated classroom hours covering massage and bodywork techniques and subjects such as anatomy, physiology, kinesiology, and pathology. They are also required to complete clinical hours in a clinical setting or medical hospital. Clinical massage therapy and spa massage may feel similar, but their techniques differ. During a spa massage, the techniques likely focus on relaxation. Clinical massage therapy, on the other hand, is outcome or result-based. In addition to stress relief and relaxation, a clinical massage focuses on specific physiological conditions. A clinical massage therapist will use a broader set of therapies for muscle health and recovery, targeting the client's needs through a variety of techniques or protocols. A clinical massage usually includes specific follow-up recommendations, and the massage therapist may provide a targeted plan for treatment, along with recommendations for a series of timed visits versus a periodic spa visit. Again, Total Restoration Massage Therapy is conveniently located at 32 Chicago Avenue in the village of Oak Park, Illinois, at the corner of Chicago and Humphrey Avenue. I'm also on social media, on Facebook and YouTube at Total Restoration Massage Therapy. Thank you for choosing Total Restoration Massage Therapy as your clinical massage therapy provider. I look forward to your upcoming massage therapy appointment.